Congratulations, you've done the hardest part. But your work isn't quite finished yet. Proper aftercare is just as important as preparation for ensuring your skin heals beautifully and stays smooth. The first thing you should do is gently cleanse the area to remove any lingering wax residue. Use a specially formulated post-wax oil or a simple natural oil like jojoba or almond oil on a cotton pad. Avoid using alcohol-based products or harsh soaps, as these will sting and dry out your now very sensitive skin. The oil will not only remove the wax, but will also help to soothe and moisturize the area. For the next 24 to 48 hours, your skin needs to be treated like a baby's. This means you must avoid certain activities and products. Steer clear of hot baths, saunas, swimming pools, and intense exercise that causes a lot of sweating. These activities can introduce bacteria into the open follicles and lead to irritation or infection. You should also avoid wearing tight-fitting clothing or synthetic fabrics like nylon or polyester. Opt for loose, comfortable cotton underwear and pants to allow your skin to breathe and prevent friction, which can lead to uncomfortable chafing and bumps. To further soothe the skin and prevent irritation, you can apply a calming product. A pure aloe vera gel is an excellent choice for its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. You could also use a fragrance-free gentle moisturizer or a product containing ingredients like chamomile to calm redness. Avoid any lotions or creams with heavy perfumes, dyes, or exfoliating acids like AHAs or BHAs for at least 2 days. Your goal is simple: keep the area clean, cool, and calm. This will promote quick healing and help you achieve that perfectly smooth result you were aiming for. Finally, let's talk about long-term maintenance to prevent those dreaded ingrown hairs. About 2 or 3 days after waxing, you can resume gentle exfoliation. Using a soft washcloth, a mild scrub, or a chemical exfoliant with salicylic or glycolic acid 2 to 3 times a week will help keep the skin clear and allow new hairs to grow back without getting trapped. Remember that consistency is key. With this mindful aftercare routine, you can enjoy the beautiful, long-lasting results of your work and approach your next session with even more confidence and skill. You've got this.